All right. Now that you've gotten past the introduction, hopefully by now you've gotten your Cisco email, you've identified, you've got it in Netacad, you've at least got it registered, change your password. So I'm going to give you, usually I'll post a video on what to expect this week. So you get a week at a glance video that tells me what resources available to you, what are your assignments, what reading, what exams, any other key points that I think to bring up. This will be a real quick video before we get into the meat of things. But it's just I found in the last semester or so that students have enjoyed at least understanding, okay, what's expected of me this week. So there's another tool I'm using. It's called Quizlet. Quizlet is a tool that allows you several ways of learning some of the terms that in this case, it's Cisco networking is a brand new language, so understanding the terms is important. So this link allows you to get some flashcards and other things, and it comes up and it lists right now the first chapter is 39 cards you can go through, and you can pretty much practice. If I can get my keyboard to work, give me a new card. Click on the links. Just gives you a way of testing out different aspects. You've got other options with Quizlet. You can choose the study mode, different study mode. You can do a matching, make a game and say, okay, now you got a time, and try to match the different terms. So it just gives you different ways that you can go ahead and try to, if you want to take a mini test, short answer the questions. It just gives you a different way to help, at least from major terms are consistent. So let's see. So you got Quizlet as far as there'll be something here. Let me get past all this stuff here. Come on. Need you back. One more. Maybe. As soon as Move gets there. I'll also give you the PowerPoint slides that Cisco created. I did not modify these. These are Cisco's PowerPoints. I may or may not go over them based on each of the chapters going on. And then I've got a series of assignments. Some of these is you'll see later in the video on Packet Tracer, how to get started. But you got a couple of labs in Packet Tracer, just getting familiar with what Packet Tracer is. And I will tell you what the title is. I'll tell you what to submit. Sometimes it's just a Word document. Sometimes it is a Word document along with a lab file, a result of you actually doing something. And then here's something I mentioned in the introduction video, the reflection journal. It's just your opportunity to give me weekly feedback about how the class is going. I'm looking for 100 words. That's the only thing graded on, 100 words, more or less. Well, actually, no less, because I deduct points if you're less than 100, but 100 or more. And the reason you want to do it, it's 3%. It's free 3% grade. So between setting up for Remind and doing your weekly reflection journals, you already got you got 5% towards it. You're almost got it yourself an A. And then there's always going to be, always, one or more exam that you'll take in Netacad. I will transfer the grades back from Netacad into Moodle so you can keep track of it, but you're going to take the exam in Netacad. So hopefully it gives you an idea. So this week, the big thing is getting you into changing the password in Netacad, getting you comfortable with Packet Tracer, which I'll get into another video, and then taking the chapter exam and the reflection journal. So hopefully it gives you a snapshot of what to expect this week. If you have any questions, give me a call, send me an email, and if you signed up for Remind and got 2% towards your grade, hey, you can send me a text. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.